guys. So I have my niece here. What's your name?
Sky.
How old are you?
6.
6. She's gonna do my makeup, so she's gonna give you guys a makeup tutorial. So tell them what you're gonna use.
So I'm gonna use eyeshadow.
Excuse my nephew, he's upset. Ignore him.
And I'm gonna do a unicorn look.
A unicorn look. Okay, so let's get into these colors, honey.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
I'm ready.
first I'm gonna use blue.
Blue? Okay. I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm gonna look like a unicorn.
I'm gonna use
This one.
this.
And
And we're gonna put some blue.
okay.
I got some blue.
Blue.
And I'm gonna put it on the top of my eyes.
Get into it, honey.
So you can see it's
You can see it.
blue on
Yes,
the top.
beautiful. Oh, yes, honey.
Now
Cairo, we're in production over here. You should chill.
I'm gonna use like a little green and blue
Oh, mix it together. Yes.
and
Okay.
color it.
Okay.
I'm gonna put some green.
Bro, that's a dishwasher. I mean, the garbage disposal. Okay. Okay. How that look? Oh, yeah. Let's get into this.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye.
You gotta be symmetrical. Same. Okay. So, same on the right eye. Okay. Gotcha. Ooh, we fancy. Do I like a unicorn yet? Almost?
Yeah.
Almost. Okay. Almost done. What other color do you have to put on?
Now I'm gonna use these 3 pinks
Okay.
and then these 2 purples.
Okay. Show the people. Which ones?
This one and this one and this one. And
Okay.
then once I get done with the pink, I'm gonna do these 2 purples.
Okay. Let's get into it, honey. Let's go. What's next? Okay. So which brush do you need for that?
I'm gonna use this brush.
Okay.
So this pink.
Y'all see it on there? Okay. Yep.
And then
Mix it together. Mix the pinks together. Okay.
now I'm gonna right here.
Okay, that's in like the corner.
What?
Okay, so you see that? Get into that crease right in the corner, all right?
Now I gotta put some little
Put
more.
some more.
And how I get some more, I use this
Oh, that's
brush.
nice. That's a good technique. I like
And I
that.
set it and then I put it on the
Oh. Y'all see that? See how she's mixing it up there? Mix it.
and then put it
And just dab it in.
and then
Yeah, you gotta get all your money's worth, okay? Okay, the other eye. The other eye.
see now it's going back to look like a unicorn.
Yes.
So now we're gonna do the next brush.
Okay.
So I'm gonna use this brush
Okay.
because that brush barely works.
Okay, it's like a little bit too small for this technique. All right.
I shredded it a little too much.
Uh-oh. It's all right. Just scoop it back up on in there. It'll be all right. Blow back.
And I'm going to do this side part.
Y'all see that? Get into it, honey. Yes. Cute. You look cute. I look like a unicorn for real.
Yeah, now I'm gonna use this
Okay.
and
Cool.
I'm gonna use this
Mhm.
and a little bit of blush,
Okay.
and then some more blush,
Mhm.
and then you'll be all done.
Good.
So I'm gonna use this one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna move that up.
Okay.
This purple kit,
Okay.
so I'm just gonna use this for the brush.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put it on the cheek.
Mhm.
And so I put it on the cheeks. Now I'm gonna get this brush and blend.
Blend it out. Yes, honey. Blend it. You know, you gotta have it blended. Mhm. Good job.
See?
Mm.
It's like this light pink, but I'm gonna put like the dark pink on
Okay.
too. I'm putting this pink on.
Mhm. Get into it.
And I'm gonna have to put this on. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's get the brush. And
Mhm.
boom. And you got the brush. And I'm gonna get the other side.
Do my other side, girl. I like how you mix the two together. You know, because when we have color, we need to have blushes that they go with our cheeks. Mhm. Mhm. A little rouge. Mhm.
Oh.
Boom.
And
Not too much, honey.
okay.
Okay, blend me out. Mhm.
Yeah. See, almost done. That's a bit of lipstick.
Get my lips popping. Oh. Uh-oh. What's happening? Oh. Your hand's clean.
Yeah.
Okay, girl.
Look.
Oh, Lord. Uh-oh. We'll get that later. We'll get that after production. Okay.
Okay.
What else?
So if that doesn't work, I'm gonna mix this.
Okay.
Blue lip gloss.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna have to use a brush for this color.
Okay.
So put it on.
Mm-hmm.
And then put it in the
Ooh, it's smooth now.
Yeah. And you can see the blue.
Yep.
And I'm gonna add a little bit of pink.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
And some blue. Are you?
Hey, we're in production. We're in production, sir. We're focused here.
Now the upper lip.
Oh, I done spread it around. I do like that.
I made you an avatar.
We are making a YouTube video right now. Thank you. Pause for the cause. Mm-hmm.
Now the pink.
Yes, honey. Look good?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we done? Am I done?
I think.
You think? You think it look good, girl? I think it look good. You want to tell the people anything about your makeup artist? You booking appointments or what?
What?
You taking appointments?
No.
Not yet? You don't want to do nobody else makeup, make some money? No? Okay, when you turn 10, you can do makeup and make some money, okay?
Now it's your turn to do my makeup.
Oh my gosh, I have to redo this makeup on her, okay.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Ooh! Yes, honey. You look cute. What you think?
I think it's good.
You think it look good? Okay. I think it look good, girl. Thank you for doing my makeup.
Yeah.
Thanks to my co-host, you guys. Say bye to all my YouTube people.
Bye.
Subscribe to my channel, honey. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.